The world of music production is buzzing with excitement as the remarkable synergy between artificial intelligence and creativity continues to unfold. AI-powered tools in vocal processing, mixing, and mastering are reshaping the landscape of music creation and production. Whether you're a seasoned music professional or an enthusiastic music lover, the transformative power of AI in music is sure to captivate your imagination. Get ready to explore the cutting-edge technologies that are shaping the future of music production. Let's begin with AI impact on vocal processing. AI-powered audio enhancers provide audiophiles and professionals with an unparalleled sound experience. They allow you to remove background noise, apply custom effects, and optimize output for different devices, all without modifying existing hardware. AI vocal processors have been transforming the audio industry, pushing sound quality beyond what was previously possible. These advanced algorithms deliver a crisp and clear listening experience by reducing noise levels and refining sounds. Examples of remarkable AI audio enhancers include Veed, which effortlessly removes background noise with a simple mouse click, and Auto.ai, a versatile tool with an intuitive user interface for seamless audio editing. AI mix and mastering technologies have taken music production to new heights. Music producers and sound engineers now have access to AI-powered features like audio separation, pitch correction, frequency detection, and more. These tools analyze individual tracks, including vocals, bass, drums, and other instruments, and apply algorithms to create a harmonious mix. The result? Professional quality mixes achieved in less time, giving creators more room for creativity. Leading AI music mixing software like Lander offers automated mastering, mixing, and distribution, while Amper Music allows users to create professional music tracks within minutes based on their inputs. Now, let's dive into AI mastering, where machine learning analyzes audio to make decisions on stereo width, audio limiting, equalization, and more. Trusted tools like Ozone 9 intelligently handle loudness levels and create EQ that match the project's frequency spectrum. Leapwing Die 1 features discerning and intelligent attack and release settings, along with adjustable filters and parallel compression. AI mix and mastering has been an invaluable assistant, but it's also evolving into a creative partner. Researchers and developers are exploring AI potential to generate vocal melodies, harmonies, and even lyrics, inspiring music artists to push their creative boundaries. The integration of AI in vocal processing, mixing, and mastering has brought about a new era of music production. AI tools have made the process more efficient, accessible, and artistically inspiring. However, it's essential to remember that AI should complement human creativity, not replace it. The future of music lies in harnessing the collaborative potential of AI and human ingenuity to unlock limitless possibilities in the world of sound. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of how AI assists in vocal processing, mixing, and mastering. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more exciting content. Until next time, keep creating and making beautiful music.